Hey everyone from the Flying With Me channel, Romulo here. Let me show you something. Check this out. Papa Sierra Oscar India Oscar.
Poloco, take it easy with the lies, my Poloco. Look over there.
He's Oscar India's younger brother, Oscar. Many people think I'm going to fly this machine, so I'll say it right at the start of this video. No, I'm not the one flying. Look, I'll show him here. Look, from the front. Check it out. It's an H135. Oscar India Oscar is a prefix much like Papa Romeo Oscar India Oscar. Many people are asking if you'll fly the H135. I've seen it, I don't know what. That's not the machine I'll fly, okay? I'm going to reveal to you today the machine that I'm going to fly.
Stop! 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 Stop everything right now!
A lot of people here already know. A lot of people on the channel. A lot of people who follow me on Instagram. I've been dropping some spoilers there and enough with the mystery. I'm going to take the course now. At the end of the month, the ground school of the machine, right? And, it's going to be...
No, I'm not going to say no.
You know what? Ah, son of a gun. Go to hell, damn it. Get lost, man.
Hold on, Taringa, come here.
No.
I'm serious, come here.
It's no use. You keep bothering like a... I don't know if I should say it. Just say it, man.
I'll say it.
Man, just say it already. If you're going to say it, just say it, man. I'm not going to say it. Just say it already. If you're not going to say it, then I'm leaving.
All right, I'll say it. I'll say it.
Say it, man.
An H130, that's right, an H130. We'll pick it up at Helibras. And then you'll see the machine coming out of the factory. I'm going to show Helibras. I'm going to show you how the delivery procedure is done, right? And explain something about the sale of the aircraft. We'll be inside Helibras picking up the helicopter, and you'll join me here on the channel as we fly together, okay? So enough with the mystery, it's over. I'm flying an H130 that's at Helibras, and we'll pick it up together. You'll fly back with me, okay? If you've made it this far, leave a like. It's worth it, right? For those who were curious or even cursing at me, what's the mystery? Enough already. The mystery is over. It's not me who's flying, it's this machine here, okay? It's Oscar's younger sister, India, Oscar. But I'm not the one flying the H135. I'm going to fly the H130, which is almost here. Look at that cool image. Look over there, little brother, big brother. Look at that. Connect, please. So let's go, right, guys? Let's call the helicopter. Shall we go over there to Paraopeba? Maybe we'll run into Edu Barbati, pilot of the R66, a friend of mine. He flew for a long time on the Global Cup. Maybe we'll meet him there in Paraopeba. Let's go. Area clear. Left clear. Let's turn. So, let's take off. Open the throttle, the rotation is increasing. I'll turn off the sound alert here. I enable the sound alert, the famous horn. And let's take off.
Hell IBH, Papa Romeo, Oscar, India, Oscar will take off towards Sector Whiskey.
Vertical over Arana, heading to Heli BH, 4,500. Magnetic heading 0400.
All set, we've taken off. Let me set the frequency here. I'm passing inside on the controls. Departed Heli BH, Echo Sector, turned left toward Belvedere, Oscar, India, Oscar. Now we're going to go inside the corridors, so I'm going inside the control room. I'll call the control. I'll leave the secondary here. From Pampula Tower. So shall we go? Belo Horizonte Control, good afternoon. Papa Romeo Oscar Oscar.
Can you confirm for the control?
Papa Romeo Oscar India Oscar departed Heli BH, maintaining 2000 en route to Paraopeba. If cleared, I'll proceed to Parque Cruzamento Pampulha.
Go ahead, Oscar, India, Oscar. Wait for radar contact and the transport code, confirming takeoff, the departure, and the pro-safe. The takeoff of...
Takeoff Sierra Juliet Lima Yankee to Sierra Delta Lima Juliet.
Roger, copied. Wait for radar contact and transport code.
Okay, waiting. I'm at the vertical of Belvedere 4200.
Azul Connect 5242, calling Recom in decimal 2. Radio Oscar, India, Oscar 70232.
0232 for Oscar India Oscar. 0232. Activated. I'm passing by near Belo Horizonte Shopping.
Papa Tango, India, Echo to Belo Horizonte Control. Go ahead.
Entering the terminal through the Conceição gate. Activated 4660.
Try to maintain the sequence of corridors from 122. Swarm. Again.
Guys, look how there's a terrible interference in this area here. The Belo Horizonte shopping area.
Oh, India. Oscar, India, Oscar 0212. 0212.
0212 activated, heading towards Park O Oscar India Oscar.
Roger that. Maintain park position.
Maintaining park, awaiting transfer, Oscar India Oscar. This frequency gets really bad when passing near Belo Horizonte shopping. Okay, we'll maintain park and call 180, Oscar India Oscar. Belo Horizonte Tower, good afternoon. Papa Romeo, Oscar India, Oscar passing the park, switching to your frequency for crossing.
Papa Romeo Oscar, India Oscar, report on the leg against the wind at the midpoint for crossing. The runway in use is 13, set 1023. The wind is 120 degrees at 9 knots.
Set to 023. Inform Anacom about the wind at midpoint crossing, Oscar India Oscar. So, she already told us to enter there on the leg, against the wind from 13 at the midpoint. What is the midpoint? In the middle of the runway, okay? One end is here, the other is here. We cross through the middle. We go through the middle so we don't get in the way of those landing and those taking off, okay? So usually aircraft always cross at the midpoint of the aerodrome, the airport, right? The runway. So I'm already here. Look, entering at the midpoint. Midpoint of the crosswind Oscar, India, Oscar, ready to cross.
Papa Romeo, Oscar, India, Oscar, cleared to cross the field. Report when clear of the runway center line.
Crossing now. Will report when clear of center line. Oscar, India, Oscar.
Oscar, India, Oscar, you may now proceed on present heading towards Arias, standing by for transfer.
Proceeding toward Arias, standing by for transfer. Oscar, India, Oscar. She's already authorized heading to Arias from here. We're supposed to enter the corridor.
Pampulha, good afternoon. PRRQL at CISA.
Papa Romeo, Quebec, Lima. Cleared for final runway 13, altimeter 03, wind 100 degrees. 12 knots.
Cleared for final runway 30123.
Oscar, India, Oscar, cross the field at 27. When approaching Arias, call 129.4.
Okay, near Arias, you will call 1294 degrees until the return.
See you soon.
This girl is very polite.
Papa, Romeo, Romeo, Quebec, Lima, what's your parking spot, or will you copy the notes?
Now we head towards Arias and we're going to stop there in Paraopeba. As I said, Dudu Barbati should be there. He's a friend of mine. Anyone who follows me on the channel here knows Dudu Barbati. He's flying an R-66, so there should be one landed at the same heliport where I'm landing. Then let's see if we can have a chat with him. Dudu flew the Globocop for a long time. He flew the news helicopters, right? He did aerial reporting. And then he switched to executive flights. I think he hasn't been in executive flights for 2 or 3 years. Ask him what he thinks. If he prefers business class. What are the differences between the reporting flight? Have a chat with him there. I'm almost arriving here in Arias. She said to transfer 1294, right? The control frequency, I'll transfer it here.
Papa, Romeo, Romeo, Quebec, Lima, airport operations, reserved position 3 for you.
Control, Papa Romeo Oscar India, Oscar past Pampulha, now over Arias, switching to your frequency.
Papa Romeo Oscar India Oscar, this is Belo Horizonte Control. Copy the crossing, radar contact established again. 3,300 feet, set altimeter to 1023.
Okay, 123, are you listening? Flying Vera Cruz Oscar India Oscar.
Roger. Keep reversing Oscar India Oscar. The ideal is 341 for Oscar India Oscar. Roger.
En route to Belo Horizonte, goal 2052.
12052.
For anyone else with questions, this frequency is the same frequency used by airplanes too, okay? So, this control manages arriving and departing airplanes and helicopters for the horizon. Everyone who is inside the controlled area is controlled by this same control, okay? Which is located there in confines.
No, we are on heading to Quimos, ma'am, maintaining heading 003. Roger, flying on heading to Quimos. We're heading to Quimos, course 003. From Echo back 3 Alpha, diverging.
Guys, like I said, right, I solved the mystery. I made a couple of videos back there with a lot of mystery. A lot of people were impatient and curious. I'm going to fly the H130, okay? So this will probably be my last flight with the Oscar India Oscar. Especially since I'm going to Sao Paulo next week.
312, copy that.
To take the theoretical course for the H130 at Helibras. After that, I'll pick up the brand new machine at the factory, okay? It's going to be... Hey, you're falling. Hold on, the camera is falling. Ouch. I fixed it. Done? So as I was saying, guys, I'm picking up this machine at the factory and you guys are coming with me, okay? So, stay tuned for the next videos. Don't miss the videos on the Flying With Me channel. It's going to be very interesting and we're going to have a new machine on the channel, the H130. Brand new, brand new, brand new. I'm nearly done freeing the control center.
Belo Horizonte.
In a little while, he'll release the runner's frequency.
Then Belo Horizonte 0123. 20,000 and 1023 blue 797. 04436 after deviation of... So we can already go into flight conditions.
You saw that machine at the start, right? The Papa Sierra, Oscar, India, Oscar. That's the Hotel 135, a twin engine. Why does it share the same prefix as that machine? Because it belonged to the first owner of this helicopter. The helicopter's first owner. Every machine he buys, he likes to put the prefix Oscar, India, Oscar. It's a superstition he has. It seems that the first car he had the license plate 010. So to make it look like the prefix is 010, he put Oscar, India, Oscar on his first helicopter. Then he bought the H135 and added Papa Sierra, Oscar, India, Oscar. But it's not this machine that I'm going to fly. I'm going to fly an H130 like I told you guys soon here on the channel. I'm avoiding the toll. I'm going straight here to Paraopeba. Oscar, India, Oscar is bypassing the toll and heading to Paraopeba.
For the altitude of the India Sierra circuit.
Control 1, Oscar, India, Oscar cleared the toll, en route to Paraopeba, transferring 1255.
Authorized 2804480. Confirm the landing time. Estimated landing in 8 minutes. Roger, visual contact with you.
Coordination 2255, Oscar, India, Oscar has cleared the toll, heading to Paraopeba at 3,500.
Confirmed. Papa Tango India Sierra.
Already at Ideal 350.
Roger.
Coordinating Papa Sierra and Lima Zulu corridors.
I'm near Paraopeba. I'm 6 minutes away. Near Inhauma. I heard that Dudu Barbati is around here, so there's an R66 here to my left. He's coming. He's going to the same place, right?
Silver 2 and 500 Tango.
Same place where I'm going to land. We'll meet there. He's nearby, but I haven't seen him on the traffic collision avoidance system yet. He must be a bit farther away. So, the whiskey sector of JN Resort towards Paraopeba, Oscar, India, Oscar 3300.
Are you going to cut there?
I will cut. Aren't you going to cut?
I believe so too.
All right, Commander. I'll land in front. I'll leave space for you. It went a little above the spot. You saw it. Dudu asked if I was going to cut. What does cut mean? If I turned off the helicopter for people to board. I will turn it off, yes, probably.
Passing in Homa, heading to Paraopeba, Fox India Fox 1700.
He will turn it off too. So, he just passed in Hauma now. We'll arrive about 3 minutes ahead of him. Let's see if I can film R66's landing there. Hey guys, I just landed here. Look, Dudu should be arriving. Let's see if I can catch his landing here. Hey dudes! What's up? All good?
Really good.
What's up? How can you not stay calm, right?
Huh? With this companion here. Wear out the machine's brake a little.
That's it? Hey guys, this is R66. Dudu Barbarte is flying. Wonderful. Well guys, Dudu is already leaving. We didn't even have time to chat. The passengers have already boarded. And he's already heading back to Belo Horizonte. I'm waiting for mine soon, look. Soon I'll follow right behind him. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to wrap it up here because now I'm going to take off and head back to Belo Horizonte. Just so you know, from Belo Horizonte to Paraopeba, it took us 28 minutes. Alright? I hope you enjoyed the video, the news, and the upcoming updates in the next videos. Don't miss the next videos on the Flying With Me channel, okay? A hug, God bless you. Oh, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the videos, alright? A hug, God bless you. I'm out.